Come. Not real.
Aray!
What's the problem?
My dress.
Come on, get up. Come on.
How can I get up? Okay, now let's vlog now.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. What do you have there?
We will unbox the. It's not the box, but I ordered a mystery box in Lazada.
Yeah.
But so I noticed that it's like different maybe here in Singapore than maybe in Philippines, because when you order it, it's like bags. But this one is like they give me plastics.
What is a mystery box?
I don't know. And let's open this one and let's see what's inside. And I ordered as well in Shopee.
Oh, so we can contrast and compare.
Yeah, so this is the Lazada. So next week we will vlog again about the mystery box of Shopee. Okay,
So it could be anything, right?
Yeah.
It could be a bag, it could be some shorts. What is?
So that's fun.
What is this? Is it a bag?
Yep.
You want me to unpack it?
Yep. I have a lot of bags now.
It's a red bag. Wow, it's actually not too bad, baby. I kind of like this one. Can I wear it?
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It's not too bad. You can just.
How much is that mystery box?
It's $23,
Oh.
but I got like $1 promo.
Oh yeah, I can use it to. Is it a man bag?
See? It's like see?
A card holder thing, yeah.
Card holder.
Yeah.
And this one is and they have also the small one for this.
Oh my god.
See?
And there's more things in here. Wow. Okay.
Okay, so that's it.
One
Oh,
bag.
there's another one.
Wow.
So they are like 3
Wow.
and 4. Yeah.
Too much stuff there, baby.
And maybe this one is nice too. Yeah, but it's like.
It's not real leather. Sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
It's fake leather. What about this guy?
Show them, maybe. Show them.
What is this guy? Another bag. It's called Shangui. Made in Italy. Maybe it says that, but let's see. Maybe there's something inside.
No, maybe it's the same.
Oh, a bunch of stuff. Oh, there's another. But this one nice, not too. That's okay.
Let me see inside.
Yeah.
Oh, it's more nice than the other one. Oh, what's this?
Yeah. It's paper, baby.
Okay.
You can also use it as a hat. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of classy, right? Right. Okay.
This one is nice.
Yeah, another bag. Oh, wait, this is a big thing. This is a huge bag. Maybe not too bad. This is not too bad. There's another big bag here. And there's like some symbols there on it. It looks very, very fancy. But 3 bags for $20. It's not too bad. And there's bags inside the bag.
That's like pouch.
Wow. Wow. This one is good for hitting, right?
Then this one, see, there's a wallet inside.
Oh my
Wow.
God. Oh my god.
Wow, there's a wallet inside.
Yeah. $20 is kind of cheap.
Oh yeah. See, there's a wallet inside.
But this one is much better as a hat, actually.
That's nice.
Yeah, this one is good as a hat.
But actually, it's nicer one, and
Yeah.
also this one. But the color is no, I don't like pink colors.
No.
That's okay. So, what can we do in these bags? We have a lot of bags already. How?
So that was our mystery box. Are you happy?
Yeah, it's okay, but the colors
But it's like you got like 10 bags for like $20. That's kind of nice, right?
Yeah.
This one is not. This is not. This is kind
Yeah,
of.
so I need to take a photo and then like I'm gonna review this one.
Oh.
So guys, yeah.
On Lazada.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the review? How many stars out of 5?
4.
4. Okay.
The color is I don't like it. So now we will open what's this mystery box from
Shopee, right?
Shopee.
Let's see.
Yeah. So the first part of this is the mystery box from Lazada.
Oh yeah, yeah. What was in that one? It was
The bags.
a lot of bags. Is this? What is this? Be careful with the knife, okay?
It is Caesar. Caesar.
Yeah.
Caesar.
Be careful with it, baby.
Maybe you can help me out.
Yeah. Maybe you want me to do it? Yeah, it's so cute when my wife tries to open it too. It's like, wait. If we actually do this, the key to opening a box is being wild and crazy, right? Like this, right?
Then just cut it there. Alright? Cut, baby.
Right.
Do you know what's inside? Oh, actually, guys, I ordered the Tony Moly products mystery box. So Tony Moly is like maybe it's like when I read it makeup skin products.
Let's see what that.
Hair as well.
Let's see.
Oh.
Oh, can I have the bubble wrap?
I'm playing this one too, bubble wrap.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's. Where's the
Scissor.
Caesar?
There you go.
Face product. Oh, lotion. So I don't need to order lotion now because is it in the face? I think it's
Dear me, it's cold.
Oh, I have a lot. Show them, baby.
Oh,
Oh, you want broccoli?
broccoli face mask, right? So you can either eat it, right? Or you can put it on the face.
No.
Collagen plasticity. Okay.
Tony Moly, fresh to go.
Wow, it's grape mask sheet.
This is
Yeah.
cell toning ampoule mask, brightening and tone up. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is this? This is gloss bar. Funny. What is this? So I don't know. Let's check it out. What's this, baby?
Is it a crayon?
Maybe it's for the lips. Oh, it's for the lips, baby.
Oh.
It's like the Nivea lipstick.
Oh, lip balm.
Yeah, and this is waterfall full lotion. Wow. Contains herb complex, romance between my precious skin. Remember, I keep on like want to buy a lotion. So lucky I have a lotion. I think that one I got.
I like this
too.
packaging, baby. It's interesting. Look at the packaging here.
There. So they give me 2 lotion.
It looks kind of cool. This, I like this brand, baby.
Yep. And this one is eye cream.
Hey, I think can I have one of them, dude?
Yeah. That's
Can I try them?
yeah. The one is mine and that one is for you.
Dear me.
Is it different? Can
Made
you
in
open
Korea.
the other one too? Is it the same?
I think it's the same. How do I wear it? How do I use this one?
Oh, this is I think this is
Oh shit.
that's lotion. This is moisturizer. It's full of moisture with ample water. I mean, it's just here.
How do I?
Let me see.
I just like this.
Press it. Press.
Pick up. It's really hot. Mm.
And last one is Nutra Energy Eye Cream. Wow. Skin safety. Which is I used already the clinic that you give me.
Oh.
But let's try this one as well for the cream, guys. Oh, it's so nice the packaging.
I like this packaging, baby. It's no cool. It's a cool brand. This one.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You want another one?
What's the one?
So this is eye cream.
Oh, maybe.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
Maybe it's for the woman.
Is that colors on the? No, I don't want any color on my eyes, baby.
Color? No, it's not. It's not makeup. Arte. This
Oh, I
is
feel so young now, baby.
Okay, guys. So this is it.
Oh.
Maybe I'm gonna order another one.
This one for me?
That's for the eyes.
Thank you, baby.
No, that's for us.
I
You can order
want
another
it.
one if you want.
Oh, okay.
The lotion is like yeah. Okay, guys. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So maybe if you will differentiate the Lazada, this is Shopee, right?
This is more fun, right? I like this,
Yeah,
this brand, right?
because the Lazada is we ordered bags and I didn't know that they give me ladies bags, which is it's more nice probably if they will give us like men and women's bag mix.
Yeah.
And but this one is it's really nice. It's a lot. So anyway, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you, Tony
Yeah.
Moly.
Tony Molly, thank you as well. It is not sponsored, guys.
No.
We're just unboxing this.
Yeah.
So probably, guys.
And we'll spend the evening like you just popping these bubbles, right?
Oh my gosh! I cut my dress.
Oh shit, baby, how did you do? Jesus Christ. Hey, baby.
No, I don't know. I just put it and I'm just.
Can you show it yourself?
Wala mo. Alam guys, gunting ko ba? No. Okay guys, so anyway guys, hindi naman po it's not bad the Lazada or Shopee. Maybe it's up to us what things we gonna order, like bags, gadgets, or like beauty products. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Wow, so energetic. Bye bye.
Bye bye.